Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would go ahead and unbox my April Boxycharm for this month. I just resubscribed this month. I haven't gotten one since October, so I did get a free gift. And that's also why I decided to resubscribe. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, so the first thing I got in here is a Zueva eyeshadow palette. And I was hoping for a different one, honestly, but this one's still cute. This is what the colors look like. It's more on the neutral side. I haven't got a chance to play around with this yet, but I plan on doing it maybe tomorrow or the next day, and the colors may, perform better on the eyes than they look in the pan. And then the next thing I got in here was Iconic London's Illuminator, and I got mine in the shade Original, and I did try this on yesterday because I received my box yesterday in the mail. And when I tried it on, I just put it on my bare skin, like after I had put my skincare on and stuff, because I wasn't wearing any makeup that day, and I put it on the high points of my cheeks. But this shade here is just a little bit too dark for me, so it did create like a yellow kind of cast on my cheeks. So when I try this again, I'm going to mix it in with like my moisturizer or something like that, or maybe my foundation, and I bet I really like it like that. And then the next thing I got in here is the Benefit Professional. It's washing it out a bit, but I'm sure we all know what this looks like. It's a cult favorite, but unfortunately I don't really like this product. I have tried it in the past, and I do have drier skin, so when I put this on, it kind of like balls up on my pore area, and it just leaves me looking a little bit more dry than I would if I use the hydrating primer. So I'll probably just pass this on to somebody or something because I won't get any use out of it. Okay, and the next thing in here, well, it's too white to show up. Hold on, let's try like this. It's some eyelashes by the brand Baddington Lashes, and honestly, the only time I really wear eyelashes is like a special occasion. So like whenever I got married, I wore eyelashes because I'm not very good at applying them, but I will save these and use them if I have something special I'm going to be doing or something like that, and I want to amp up my eye look. Alright, the next thing in here are really colorful brushes by the brand Lavish, and I did use these today whenever I did my eyeshadow. Let's see if I can get them out. They're all really precise brushes, so hold on, I dropped one. So this is what they look like. They're all really tiny, like detail brushes, and I do like them. I use them for the next palette I'm going to be telling you about, which is really colorful. So it did pack on the collar really nicely, but honestly I would have preferred some like bigger blending brushes or something like that, but they're really cute and I will use them. So alright, the next thing I got in here is the Violet Voss Sugar Crystals palette, and this is why I resubscribed. This was a gift, and I did look back on the website a few days ago, honestly, when I was tracking my box, and they had a different like choice for when you sign up if you aren't already a member of the monthly subscription. So that kind of sucks, but just keep your eye out on the website because they always have little codes you can enter. And this is what this palette looks like. It's super colorful and pretty, and what I love about it is the colors are more like, they're like pastel instead of like bold intense colors that are in most of my palettes. So I really do like this, and I think it's going to be a fun palette to use in the summer and in the springtime. And I believe that's all I got. So I will go ahead and add up the box total on my phone, and I will put it like up here in this corner up here, because I'm using my phone to record right now, so I can't use the calculator. And also on my card, like what it says I got is not what I got in my box. So I don't know if they sent me the wrong card or what really happened, but I'll look up the prices and let you know. But I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you received in your box. Bye guys!